She reminds me sometimes when I get, because I'm human, so sometimes I do get down and I forget about my gratitude, my one word, which by the way is on my walls everywhere. So that was a sign that said employees only. Seema covered it with gratitude. Right? So whenever I get down, and we were in this little garage, 2006, storage unit on Baseline Road, and nobody could find me. It was hidden, and then it was hidden, and then it was Grand Island, and nobody can find you anyway. You know,
2006.
2006. You know, I think like I made $5 on a transaction one time. I don't even remember if it was a fax or a copy or what. And I went and I came home and I got Tim Hortons and a donut for my daughter. And I swear to you, Aiden, to this day, she remembers that. Because I said, honey, I made $5 today. And so, you know, when we had like a $5,000 day at Christmas time one time, you know, we have $5,000 days in Christmas time now. I'm thankful to tell you. Well, we have to, you know.
Yeah.
But she always reminds me, don't forget.